Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In previous class, we discussed some example problems based upon geometric progression, and we discussed the geometric mean GM and the relation between AM and GM, arithmetic mean and geometric mean also we discussed, and based upon that one some problems, example problems we discussed. Total example problems completed. Now today we continue the exercise problems. Exercise 9.3. This total exercise based upon geometric progression only. So now we see the first problem. Problem number 1. Find the 20th and 10th terms. We have to find the 20th term and 10th term of GP, geometric progression they given. You have to find the 20th term and 10th term. So I will write here first term A is equal to how much here? 5 by 2. Common ratio GP they given. So common ratio R is equal to 5 by 4 by 5 by 2, 5 cancel, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2 is the common ratio. So we know the first term and common ratio, we can find any term here. So yes, A20 formula, A into R power 20 minus 1, nth term formula, A into R power n minus 1. Here 20 we need, so substitute 20. A value is 5 by 2, R value is 1 by 2 power 19, 20 minus 1 is 19. So 5 by 2 into 2 power 19. 2 power 19. Here you observe bases are equal, power should be added. 1 plus 19 is 2 power 20. So 20th term completed. Next, 10th term, AN formula, A into R power n minus 1, 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1. So now next step, 5 by 2 into 2 power n minus 1. Bases are equal, power should be added, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So 5 by 2 power n is the nth term of given GP. Next, problem number 2. Find the 12th term. We have to find the 12th term of GP whose 8th term is given. 8th term is 192. 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. So first I will write here given A8 is equal to 192 and common ratio is 2. So I take here, let A be the first term of a GP. First term of GP. So here A8 is equal to 192. What is the A8 formula? A8 formula is A into R power 8 minus 1 is equal to 192. Substitute the values here. We don't know the A keep it like that only. R value 2 power 8 minus 1 is 7 is equal to 190. That implies A is equal to 192 by 128. If we are sending right side, it will be divided by 2 power 7 is 128. 64 2s are 64 3s are 64 2s are 64 3s are cancellation. A is equal to how much you get? 3 by 2. A equal to 3 by 2. What we need? 12th term we need. Therefore, A12 is equal to A into R power 12 minus 1. What is the A value? A value is 3 by 2. R value is 2 power 11. 2 power 11. 12 minus 1 is 11. Here 1 to 1 can cancel, remaining 2 power 10. 3 into 1024 is a 2 power 10 value. 2 power 10 value is 1024. Multiply 3072. 3072 is the 12th term. So required 12th term is 3072. Next problem number 3. 5th, 8th, 11th terms of GP, PQ and S respectively. Show that again. First I am taking here. Let A be the first term. We don't know the first term. First term A I am taking, and R is common ratio. Common ratio of a geometric progression of GP. Next, given A5 is equal to A5. What is the formula of A5? AR power 5 minus 1 is equal to AR power 4. That is equal to how much? P. Next, A8 is equal to AR power 8 minus 1, AR power 7 is equal to Q. The given eighth term is Q. Next, A11 is equal to AR power 11 minus 1 is equal to AR power 10 is equal to S. So now, I'll take these three as a equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Now I'll make the division 2 divided by 1, that implies 2 divided by 1. No need to write all, only these two I am taking here. AR power 7 by AR power 4 is equal to 2 by P. Q by P. So now AA get cancelled. Power 4 cancel, remaining will be 3. 7 minus 4 just. Here R cube is equal to how much you get? Q by P. R cube is equal to Q by P. Next, similarly, I will make 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. What is the 3 here? AR power 10 divided by AR power 7 is equal to S by Q. Here AA get cancelled, 7's cancel, so remaining will be 3 only. R7 is there, 7 cancel, out of 10, 7 cancel means 3 will be remaining. So R cube is equal to S by Q. So this one, equation number 4, equation number 5. From 4 and 5. What we can observe 4 and 5? R cube is there, this is also R cube. That means both are equal. Q by P is equal to S by Q. Cross multiply you make Q into Q. Q square is equal to PS. Hence proved. This one only we prove here. Next, problem number 4. The fourth term of GP is square of its second term. Fourth term is equal to square of the second term. And the first term is minus 3, determine the seventh term. This is a simple problem here. Solution. First of all, I am taking let A be the first term. R is the common ratio geometric progression. Therefore, here a is equal to how much? -3. A equal to -3. Next step, I'll write here A4 is equal to, now A4 is equal to AR power 4 minus 1, that is equal to -3R cube A4. Next, A2 second term AR power 2 minus 1 minus 3R minus 3R. By given condition, what condition they given? Fourth term A4 is equal to, fourth term of GP is square of its second term. Square of its second term. So substitute here 3R cube is equal to -3R whole square. -3R cube is equal to 9R square. 3 1 the 3 3 the R square cancel. R is equal to -3. So now substitute here, find out the A7 value. A into R power 7 minus 1, that is -3 power 6. -3 power 6. So total it will be -3 power 7. -3 power 7. 3 into 3 into up to 7 terms. That is -2187. -2187. Next, problem number 5. Which of the following sequences? First question, 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on is a 128. Which term is 128? Which term is 128? Next, which term is 729? Which term is 1 by 19683? So, I'll explain one problem. Remaining two problems, C and D, you take as a homework. So, first A problem, how will solve? Same similar problems here. Solution given sequence 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on. A is equal to, here A is equal to 2, R is equal to 2 root 2 by 2, that is root 2. Common ratio we know. Next step, let nth term is 128. We don't know the nth term. We don't know this term, which term. So I am taking that as a m. An is equal to 128. What is the An formula? A into R power n minus 1 is equal to 128. Substitute here values 2 into 2 root 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 128. 2 into 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2. Why we are writing this one? Square root is there. Square root we can write as a 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2. So already 1 plus n minus 1 is there. n minus 1 by 2 is there. So bases are equal, power should be added condition. 2 power 1 plus n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 7. This is the 2 power 7 value. So next here, bases are equal, power should be added. Bases equal means powers also equal here. n plus 1 plus n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7. So now simplify this one. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 minus 1. One side, the right side will be negative 1. So n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. N minus 1 is equal to 6 into 2 is 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1, that is n is equal to 13. Therefore, the 13th term is 128. 13th term is 128. Similarly, a is equal to root 3. A is equal to r is equal to, you have to find r is equal to also root 3 you get it. And simplification process n value how to find. B and C take as a homework. Next, problem number 6. For what value of x? For what value of x? The numbers, these numbers, 3 numbers are in GP. First of all, write down the given numbers. Minus 7 by GP means common ratio. So you find here common ratio. Common ratio is equal to second term by first term is equal to third term by second term. Third term by second term. So simplify this one. Upside side minus 7x by 2. Minus writing upside and 7 reverse. So this one upside. Next, this side also minus 7 divided by 2x. 7 by 2 whole by x is there. So minus 7 by. Here 2 get cancelled, 7 get cancelled, minus get cancelled. Cross multiplying like that, x square is equal to 1. That implies x equal to plus or minus 1. X equal to plus or minus 1. The given numbers in GP. Plus 1 minus 1, 2 possibilities is there. So answer is plus or minus 1. Next we observe problem number 7 to 10. These 4 problems are find the sum of indicated number of terms. Indicated number of terms in each of the geometric progression in exercise 7 to 10. 7 to 10, same question. Find the sum of indicated terms. Indicated term means we observe here 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms we have to find. Here sum of 10 terms, sum of n terms, sum of n terms. So I explain first two problems 7 and 8. You can take 9 and 10 as a homework. Simple problem these are. So see here first of all 7th problem. Problem number 7. Given geometric progression is 0.15, 0.015, 0.0015 and so on. Here A is equal to 0.15. Common ratio R is equal to 0.1015 by 0.15. If you division making 0.1. 0.1 into 0.15 is 0.015. Common ratio is 0.15. So now, how many terms we need? Sum S20. We know that Sn formula ready. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Therefore, S20, 20 terms here. N is 20 terms. So, n equal to 20 substitute. Here, A value is 0.15 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power. N is 20 divided by 1 minus 0.1. 1 minus 0.1. So I will write like simplification I will make here. 0.15 divided by 1 minus 0.1. 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9 into 1 minus 0.1 power 20. So simplify this one. 15 by 100. After point 2 digits is there. So 100 will be. After point 1 digit is there. So 9 by 10 will be. Cancellation. 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20. 15 by, otherwise cancellation you make here only. 3 3s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 1 by 2 by 3, 1 by 2 by 3 is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 power 20 is the S20. No need to simplify 0.1 power 20. Just you have to stop here. 1 by 6 into 1 minus 0.1 whole power 20 is the sum of 20 terms. Next, problem number 8. Given GP is, what is the given GP here? 1 root 7, root 21, 3 root 7. So here A value is root 7, common ratio root 21 by root 7. This one we have to make the simplification. You observe here properly. Root 7 into root 3 by root 7 we can write. Root 7 into root 3, root 21. 7 3s are 21. Root into root 1. So here root 7 cancel. Root 3 is the common ratio. Common ratio is root 3. Therefore, Sn formula first I am writing A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Here how many terms asking question? Question is n terms. So n only we have to take. No need to substitute any value. N terms is there n. This problem also n terms is there n. Here 20 terms asking, 20 substitution. If not asking any number, n is there, so just the n only you have to continue for these three problems. So now you substitute here root 7 into 1 minus R root 3 power 10 divided by 1 minus root 3. Actually completed, this is only Sn, but simplification we need. Simplification purpose, I am using the rationalization concept. Rationalization concept I am using here into 1 plus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. Denominator, rationalization I am making. Rationalization means here plus is there, minus is there, plus multiply and divided with the number. This is only called a rationalization. So now, root 7 into 1 plus root 3, first I am writing this value, divided by, you observe, a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square, a is 1 square, b square, b square. Next one, 1 minus 3 power n by 2. Why I am writing this value? I am writing last root 3 is there. That root 3 writing as a 1 by 2. 3 power 1 by 2 all power n is there. That will become n by 2. Next, here square root cancel. 1 plus root 3 divided by minus 2. 1 minus 3 power n by 2. Minus removing purpose, root 7 into 1 plus root 3 divided by 2 into 3 power 1 by n by 2 minus 1. Here interchange. Here minus is there taking common. So 3 power n by 2 minus 1. That minus this minus cancel both. So answer is Sn. Therefore Sn value is this one. We don't know the n value here, so keep it like that only. Similarly, problem number 9 and 10 take as a homework. So by this problems today class completed. We'll continue the next problems in next class. Thank you.